Mom of a 16-year-old writes into the Modern Divorce Support Group with a rather complicated question. So daughter's almost 16, they are in the middle of their first child support modification, and part of that modification, her attorney found that dad had been hiding income for years. Dad's really mad at mom. That has had an impact on dad's relationship with his teenager, and they have been getting in big fights. Dad told the teenager she was old enough to start making her own decisions and he wasn't going to force her to go to parenting time. His parenting time is limited and usually happens at a relative's house anyway. So daughter was like, fine, I'm not going, and missed a bunch of scheduled court-ordered visitation. Then dad wanted daughter to go. Daughter begrudgingly went back. They got into another fight. Then there was another incident where dad was having parenting time and left to go to a bar, which apparently he does often. And he said he was coming back, but he never came back. And instead he just told the relative that was staying with the daughter that dad wasn't coming back. Mom wants to know, under these circumstances, should I really be forcing my almost 16-year-old daughter to go spend time with her dad? Dad thinks that any problems that the daughter has with dad is due to mom not supporting their relationship, and dad doesn't take any accountability for the fact that it is his relationship with the daughter. My name is Billy Tarasio, Arizona family law attorney, and this right here is why we can give you general answers and then everything is always facts specific. So generally speaking, my advice to you is you need to have your kids go to the parenting time that's scheduled. Generally speaking, under these circumstances, 16-year-old, dad told her not to come, dad's not spending the time with her, I might have a different discussion with that mom. My discussion might be about pros and cons and what's most likely going to happen if you get to court for enforcement, and what evidence do you have to support your story, because under these circumstances I don't think that a judge is going to hold mom in contempt. Since family law is about families and families are about individuals and individual relationships, everything is always so customizable, and it's why you really need a lawyer that you can trust, or you need to really understand the family court system and the culture at play.